Antigua, a beautiful historical city in Guatemala, a must visit if you travel around. The city has a great vibe. You can feel the Guatemalan culture soaking from the walls all around you. And talking about culture, it is a home to substantial indigenous population which master the local art and craft. City has something magical that I have never seen before. It has an amazing colonial architecture with Baroque and Renaissance features. Many houses have huge flower gardens in the center, and the most interesting is that most of the monuments are partially destroyed but still in condition where you can walk inside. Above that, the whole city is surrounded by mountains and volcanoes which you can hike. Antigua used to be a capital city of Guatemala, but it has been completely destroyed twice. Once in September 1541 by lava from nearby Volcán de Agua, and after in 1773 by a series of massive earthquakes when most of the city was destroyed. After that, authorities decided to move the capital city to a new destination, which we know as Guatemala City. Antigua was almost completely abandoned until the boom of coffee production in the region, which brought new investments and people to the city. Antigua is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site and it is protected from uncontrolled urban and industrial development. UNESCO also decided that all the ruins should stay as they are, so there is no plan to reconstruct ruined churches and monuments. But actually, this aspect creates a magical atmosphere in the city. Monuments in ruins tell a painful history of one city destroyed into pieces, and now it is transformed into one of the most beautiful travel destinations in Central America. The heart of the city is at Central Park, or Park Central, where you can relax, enjoy great food and buy local art. As said before, Antigua is a huge coffee producer, so don't hesitate to try local chocolate and drink a lot of great coffee. As you can see from the sky, the city uses modern planning and has a nice grid structure. From Antigua, you can visit many other great destinations such as Volcano Acatenango, Flower Island, Mayan Pyramids, Intical or Lake Atitlan. I hope you enjoyed this little tour through city Antigua. If you have any questions, don't be shy and write me in the comments under this video. And if you would like to see more content like this, you can subscribe to my channel. If you like, you can hit the like button as well. Have a great day and see you in the next destination.